Come test drive the 2013 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power windows, MP3 player, CD player, power door locks, child safety locks, passenger airbag on/off switch, passenger airbag, auxiliary audio input. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.